In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your due dates on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To start, you'll first need to prepare your columns. Make sure your board has 3 specific columns set up. The first one is your due date, which is a standard date column that's essential for tracking deadlines. Next, you'll need an event date. This is another date column that will serve as your main timeline reference for associated tasks or events. Finally, create an offset column, which is a numbers column where you'll input the number of days you want to shift the due dates. For instance, you might want to adjust a date 5 days earlier or later, depending on your project needs. If any of these columns are missing, you can easily add them by clicking the plus sign or the plus button at the top of your board. Once you've got your columns ready, the next step is to set your values. Here, you'll enter a numeric value into the offset column for each of your tasks. This value is important because it will directly drive the automatic adjustment of your due dates based on what you specify. Now, let's move on to the more technical part of the process. You'll open the Automation Center by clicking on the Automate button located at the top of your board. This section is packed with features that make managing your board more efficient. Next, you'll want to select the recipe for the automation. In the search bar, type in "When date changes, adjust another." Once you do this, look for the matching automation template in the results. This template is designed to help you connect your date columns seamlessly. After selecting your template, it's crucial to configure the automation correctly. Set the trigger to your due date column. This means that any time you change a date in this column, it will initiate the automation process. Then, for the action, you'll select the event date as the column that should be adjusted automatically. Finally, when it comes to the adjustment amount, make sure to select the offset column that you created earlier. This column contains the numeric values that decide how much your dates will be adjusted. Once everything is set and you're satisfied with your configuration, the last step is to create and activate the automation. Click on Create Automation to finalize the setup. After this, your automation should be in place and ready to make your project management a lot smoother. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to automate your due dates on Monday.com effectively. This means less manual adjustment for you and a more organized approach to your tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you implement this automation to save time and streamline your workflow. Happy organizing!